Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into the word aware. This is a B1 level adjective that means knowing or conscious of something. It's such a handy word to have in your vocabulary because it helps you express understanding and attentiveness in a variety of situations. Let's break it down. When you're aware, you know about something or are conscious of it. For example, if you say, "I'm aware of the traffic rules," it means you understand and know what those rules are. It's a way to show that you're informed or mindful. Now, let's look at some synonyms for aware. Words like conscious, mindful, and attentive are great alternatives. For instance, you could say, "She's conscious of her responsibilities at work," or "He's always mindful of others' feelings." These synonyms help convey a similar meaning while adding variety to your language. On the other hand, let's explore a few antonyms for aware. Words like ignorant, unaware, and oblivious express the opposite. For example, you might hear someone say, "He was unaware of the changes in the schedule," or "She seemed completely oblivious to the noise around her." These words highlight a lack of awareness or knowledge. So, how do we use aware in everyday life? It pops up often in conversations, like when discussing current events or personal situations. You might say, "Are you aware of the new restaurant downtown?" Or, "I wasn't aware that you needed help." It's also common in expressions like, "Be aware of your surroundings," which is a way of advising someone to stay alert. Let's try a few more examples to solidify your understanding. The teacher made the students aware of the upcoming exam. "I'm fully aware that this decision might be challenging. Are you aware of how much progress you've made?" These sentences show how flexible and useful the word is. To wrap up, we've explored the word aware, its meaning, synonyms like conscious, mindful, and attentive, and antonyms like ignorant, unaware, and oblivious. We've also seen how it can be used in daily conversations and practical examples. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And before you go, why not try creating your own sentence using the word aware? Share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.